India has been this up-and-coming country that sort of wishes to be a superpower, but for very many reasons it cannot really reach that status. But their industry is very developed. The car making industry has made quite significant strides within the last 10 years or so, and even though this is not Swadeshi, it's not homegrown, because of course it's a subsidiary of Japanese Suzuki. Maruti Suzuki has been doing some very, very decent cars all around. This is a considerable improvement over the last generation Baleno, which is just the same platform, of course. This is just a deep facelift, but the materials are quite decent. There are buttons here, which is something I wish there were more of these in other cars. But yeah, it's thoroughly well made, and I like this. It's quite okay.